So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can steal the color grading from any movie that you like directly in Premiere Pro. Now for example, this is the video I've been editing. So first of all, apply the Lumetri Color effect to that particular video. Now under the Lumetri Color effect section, simply go to the option of color wheel and match right there. Here you can see now under there you simply need to click on the option of comparison view. Under the comparison view, set the movie shot as the reference. For example, if I in this reference section I want to add the effect that I want to apply to the video, I can simply add the reference just by using anything I want, just by importing on my library. And once you're done, just simply hit on this option of apply match, and once you do it, you'll notice that the color grading have been copied from the reference that you have been taken. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.